Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sayeda Aisha. Chemistry of Inner Transition Elements is the unit which comes under the inorganic chemistry part of the syllabus. In this session, I would like to discuss the general characteristics of the inner transition elements, which include the magnetic properties, complex formation, and the ionic radii of the inner transition elements. Let's take on the first general characteristics in this session about the inner transition elements, which is the magnetic property. The metal complexes which have unpaired electrons are magnetic in nature. As the last electron resides in the f orbitals, this magnetism is due to the unpaired f electrons. We can see that many compounds of the inner transition elements show magnetic properties. And we all know that the compounds which are attracted by the magnetic field are paramagnetic in nature, and the compounds which are repelled by the magnetic field are found to exhibit diamagnetic properties. When we consider the magnetic properties of the F block elements, we can say that in the lanthanides, both the spin and the orbital motion should be considered. So, with the help of the number of unpaired electrons, the magnetic moment of the F block elements is calculated using the formula mu is equal to square root of J into J plus 1, where J corresponds to the total angular momentum quantum number. Here are some of the observed and the calculated values of the magnetic moments of the tripositive lanthanide ions. We can say that the compounds containing lanthanum 3+, lutetium 3+, cerium 4+, ytterbium 2+ ions are found to be diamagnetic in nature, as they do not have any unpaired electrons. The rest of the trivalent lanthanide ions are paramagnetic in nature, as they contain unpaired 4f electrons. We can see that the magnetic moment of cerium 3+ ion is found to be observed in the range of 2.3 to 2.5, while the calculated value is 2.54. Thus, we can conclude that the ions which have unpaired electrons are found to be paramagnetic, while those which do not contain unpaired electrons are found to be diamagnetic in nature. The next general characteristics in this session about the inner transition elements is the complex formation. As we know that the complex contains the central metal ion and a number of ligand molecules surrounded to the central metal ion. The lanthanide ions, that is the M3+ ions, have a high charge density, and they also have large ionic radii. This is the reason why they do not readily form complexes. Also, the lanthanides do not form complexes with the pi bonding ligands, which is due to the non-availability of the f orbitals required for bonding. Coming on to the ionic radii of the inner transition elements. The overall decrease found in the atomic and ionic radii as we move from the element lanthanum to the element lutetium is called as the lanthanide contraction. That is, the decrease in the atomic size as we move from lanthanum to lutetium is the lanthanide contraction. This decrease in the atomic radii is not quite regular as it is regular in the M3 plus ions. There is fairly regular decrease in the sizes with the increasing atomic number. These are some of the references which we have used for the preparation of this session and also to get the best details about the inner transition elements. A large number of other references are available which can be used as a source for preparing to the inner transition elements. I thank you all for hearing this session about the chemistry of inner transition elements, which included the general characteristics like the magnetic properties, complex formation, and the ionic radii. Thank you.